G'day traders, today we're going to talk about the power of small marginal improvements exploding your trading potential. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. G'day traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and today we're going to be talking about small marginal improvements and how they can explode your trading potential. One of the big things that I talk about is using the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders, the power of your daily routine, and how that small disciplines done daily can pay big dividends. If you apply those daily disciplines in a direction or making them congruent with what you're trying to achieve, you can take large objectives, large goals, and chunk them down into the minutest little steps and focus in a direction of constant progress to constantly move forward. You know, I use an example even just with athletics that, people often make losing weight or getting fit this massive project where I need to go to a gym and I'm going to start January 1st. I'm going to wait until the holidays are over and I need to get a personal trainer. When the reality of it is that you always have access to those things in the immediate situation, like perhaps choosing to eliminate certain foods or beverages out of your diet, or even dropping to the ground and doing one push-up to start with, starting with one. Not worrying about doing 100 a day or walking 2 miles a day. It could start with the simplest thing of even just taking one step or walking to the end of your driveway. So if we apply that to trading, we can look at just 3 basic simple things. And one of the things we talk about with routine, in the daily routine, one of the things we talk about initially is crafting your vision. So the vision of the trader that you want to become. So if I ask individuals, where do you want to be in the next 30 days, or what are your goals for the next 30 days? Who is it, or what is the trader? Who is the trader that you see yourself in 12 months' time from now? Who is it that you want to be? What are the attributes of a successful trader? How do you see yourself as a person, as that trader in 12 months' time from now? Let's craft that now in our vision and start to shape that person that you want to become. So obviously, as you unlock new learnings and you evolve, you're going to maybe crystallize and clarify that vision a bit more, but starting off with the simplest type of things in terms of who it is that you want to become. What type of person do you want to be? What type of trader do you want to become? And your routine will help to chunk that down. So in the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders, we talk about building your vision, working on your mindset, because that's the one thing that's going to get you through day after day to be doing the right things, to be working in a direction of constant progress, to be accelerating your learning, to be developing your edge in the market, to be sharpening your trading skills, to be able to execute that trading plan flawlessly, to be setting goals, to be pushing the boundaries, to being on the border of being uncomfortable, not so much in terms of taking huge risks or anything else, but challenging yourself to become a better trader. Perhaps that's to increase size. Perhaps it's to take more trades. Perhaps it's to get more skillful at just executing the trades and detaching yourself from the outcome. This is the most powerful thing that will help move you forward. Building your mindset on a daily basis, listening to other great traders, reading different ideas, constantly generating ideas for trading strategies, testing those, going back and testing your strategy on old data sample, and also forward testing that in the live market with small, either on a demo account or with very small lot sizes, and journaling those trades. What do you see? What are you learning? How did you perceive the market before it unwound and went live? How did you respond to that? And then doing a review of the trade setups that you saw. How did it play out? Was your analysis to some degree accurate or inaccurate? All the little things that will help you perhaps just raise the bar 1% a day to get better and moving in the direction of that trader that you want to become in 12 months. Marginal improvements, so even just focusing on one little thing at a time and mastering that, whether it's position sizing, whether it's executing your entries, like removing the hesitation or the analysis paralysis out of the equation. I just was going through Andrea Unger, his automated trading program. One of the strategies they talk about is similar to a market profile strategy, but it's a breakout of that first hour in certain markets that he's tested. And one of the reasons they use computers is that as humans we have built-in beliefs and bias about the market, and that impairs our sometimes impairs our ability to actually just be able to execute a simple strategy, take a position, manage our downside, and have an exit strategy in place for us to either extract profits or to exit the market at break even or whatever that is. So simplicity, the third component of that, is to be able to have something so simple and then be able to test it on markets and know perhaps which markets that might trade better on, and get your skill set up to be able to hit the trades, monitor your sample sizes, determine your initial stop loss point and your exit point, and then hit that strategy for, even if it's on your demo account, and just get in the process of executing the trading system that you've developed, monitoring your results in 10 lot samples, journaling about those trades, and again, accelerating your learning, setting goals, get better at your trade strategy, sharpen your edge. What did you learn? What did you do well? What could you have done better? The only way you're going to be able to perform and get to that elite level is to be able to prepare and execute at the elite level. And this, just like athletics. Michael Jordan would spend time before practice, before other players arrived, and he would spend time after practice when other players had left. He'd be the last person to leave, and he would practice at home, constantly reviewing game films, practicing moves, trying to improve. Even when he was at the peak of his game, constantly trying to improve his skills. And that's how we need to be if you want to be an elite performer in the markets. There's a reason why 95% of traders continue to lose money, and that only a certain small percentage of traders are able to extract capital from the markets consistently. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video, traders. Hone your daily routine, make it congruent with the results that you're after, focus on getting better each week, look to focus on small marginal improvements in the areas around your trading, your approach to trading, your trading plan. Get better at those little things, chunk down the little steps. So the big picture, you want to make 1,000 pips a month, or whatever, chunk it down to the smallest trades that you're going to be doing and executing, whether it's day in and day out or weekly or however that is. Accelerate your learning, set goals, go back, journal your trades, and keep getting better at that, and keep it simple. As simpler will remove the analysis paralysis from your ability to execute consistently, and again, the simpler you can make it, the more likely you can duplicate those results, and the more likely you can be consistent in your approach to the markets. You can't control the outcomes, but you can control how well you execute your trading plan, and how consistently you're able to perform without any analysis paralysis. So stay disciplined, traders. Keep it simple. Keep getting better. Focus on a direction of constant progress. How good can we get? And may the markets go with you. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, The 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.